Hey there, so I am back with another LinkedIn quick tip. Recently, I got a message from one of our subscribers asking how can they hide their following and connection list on LinkedIn. So I'm going to walk you through the process to do that. So you're on your LinkedIn profile, you will click the little button right here that says me, and then you'll go to settings and privacy. From there, you will click on visibility. So there's two sections that you want to pay attention to. The first one is who can see your connection. So you'll go here and basically you'll see that right now it's on. So anyone can see this person's connection list. So you can toggle that off, and that will mean that you are the only person that can see who you are connected to on LinkedIn. As you can see, it does say right here, your connections can still see any mutual connections or connections who endorse you. So if someone has a mutual connection with you, they'll be able to see that. That means first degree connections on LinkedIn. Or if someone has endorsed you for a certain skill, they will be able to see who endorsed you. So now talking about followers, you go back to the same place where we were, visibility, and then you'll go to who can see members you follow. And here you have two options, only visible to me or anyone on LinkedIn. So you will then make the decision. If you only want to see the people that you follow on LinkedIn, you can switch that. So as you can see right here, this setting affects your follow visibility for other members, not for your LinkedIn pages or hashtags. So if you follow a member, that member can always see that you follow them, meaning that if you're following someone, they will know that you're following them. But if someone outside of your connection or your follow list, they will not be able to see who you follow on LinkedIn. If you're the kind of person who doesn't want people to know that you've viewed their LinkedIn profile, check out this video right here where I teach you how to adjust your privacy settings to make that change. I'll see you in that one. Take care.